Cash App has a significant limitation that many users discover too late. You cannot directly switch from a business account to a personal account within the app interface. This differs significantly from competitors like PayPal and Venmo, which offer more flexible account management options for their users. Despite this limitation, there are two main workarounds available. The first option is to close your business account completely and create a new personal account from scratch. The second option is to maintain both accounts simultaneously. This requires using different phone numbers or email addresses for each account, but allows you to keep both active. Understanding the key differences between personal and business accounts is crucial for making the right choice initially. Personal accounts are designed for individual peer-to-peer transactions with simpler features. Business accounts, on the other hand, are designed for commercial transaction processing. They offer higher limits, advanced analytics, business-specific tax documents, and priority customer support. Given these limitations and differences, choosing the correct account type initially is absolutely crucial. The switching process is complex and disruptive, so careful consideration upfront can save significant time and hassle later. Understanding Cash App fees is crucial for choosing the right account type and managing your money effectively. Different account types have different fee structures that can significantly impact your costs. Personal accounts offer free standard transfers to your bank account, which typically take 1 to 3 business days. However, if you need your money instantly, there's a fee of 1.75% with a minimum charge of 25 cents. Business accounts have the same standard and instant transfer fees as personal accounts. However, they include additional fees for card payments at 2.75% per transaction and a $15 chargeback fee if customers dispute payments. Now let's examine the eligibility requirements for each account type. These requirements determine whether you can open and maintain each type of account. Personal Cash App accounts have straightforward eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid Social Security number, and provide a U.S. phone number and address for verification. Business accounts have more complex requirements. You need a valid business entity, such as an LLC or corporation, an employer identification number or SSN for sole proprietors, and a dedicated business bank account for verification. Since Cash App doesn't allow direct switching between account types, following best practices becomes essential for managing your account effectively and avoiding disruptions. Here are the key best practices for managing your Cash App account. First, if you need to switch account types, plan this transition during periods when you have fewer transactions to minimize disruption. Always download and save your complete transaction history before closing any account. This documentation is crucial for tax purposes and maintaining financial records. Communication is key when switching accounts. Notify all your regular transaction partners well in advance about any account changes to ensure smooth payment processing. Finally, consider whether alternative payment platforms might better serve your needs. Some competitors offer more flexible account switching options and different fee structures that could be more suitable for your specific situation.